If you're making these 5 skincare mistakes, you're actually aging your skin 10 years faster than necessary. I see women in their 30s looking older than their mothers, and it all comes down to these fundamental errors. What if I told you some of your most ingrained daily habits might be fast-forwarding the clock on your skin, potentially adding a decade of wear and tear? It's a startling thought, but many well-intentioned skincare practices are actually counterproductive. They subtly break down your skin's natural defenses, leading to premature fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. It's not about expensive creams or complex regimens. Often the biggest culprits are simple, mindless daily mistakes. Sin #1. Aggressive over-cleansing. Sin #2. Skipping sunscreen. Sin #3. Using the wrong products for your skin type. Sin #4. Touching your face throughout the day. Sin #5. Consistently sleeping in your makeup. In the world of skincare, there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all solution. Your skin is as unique as your fingerprint. Genetics, environment, diet, lifestyle, these shape your skin. What works for your favorite influencer or your best friend could be a recipe for disaster for you. This is why a personalized skincare routine is not a luxury. It is an absolute necessity. Using products not suited for your skin is like fueling a diesel engine with regular gasoline. It won't work and will likely cause damage. A personalized approach ensures your skin gets what it needs. The statistics are revealing. Over 70% of people don't fully understand product ingredients. They're swayed by clever marketing, beautiful packaging, and enticing claims. That disconnect leads to trial and error, wasted money, frustration, and irritated or unbalanced skin. Understand your skin and make informed choices. Build a routine tailored to your goals, managing acne, reducing fine lines, fading hyperpigmentation, calming sensitivity. Use active ingredients that target issues while supporting skin with proper cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. A personal routine is self-awareness and self-care. Pay attention to your skin signals and adjust over time. Before you can build an effective skincare routine, you must first understand the canvas you're working with. Identifying your skin type is the foundational step that informs every product choice you make. Luckily, you don't need a fancy device or a trip to a dermatologist. There's a simple test you can do at home. Start by washing your face with a gentle, neutral cleanser. Pat it dry. Wait for about 30 to 60 minutes. Do not apply any serums, moisturizers, or other products during this time. Watch how your skin behaves. It reveals your type. If after an hour, your skin feels tight or uncomfortable and looks flaky or dull, you likely have dry skin. Goal: replenish moisture and support the skin barrier. If your face looks shiny and greasy all over, especially on forehead, nose, or chin, you have oily skin. Key: manage oil and keep pores clear without stripping. If your T-zone is oily while cheeks feel normal or dry, that's combination skin. If your skin feels comfortable and balanced after the hour, congratulations. You have normal skin. Normal skin still needs consistent care to stay healthy. Adjust and refine over time as your skin changes with age, seasons, pregnancy, stress, or travel. Turn skincare into a rewarding ritual. Your skin's needs are not static. They evolve as you move through different stages of life. What your skin required in your 20s is vastly different from what it will need in your 40s and beyond. For those in the 25-35 range, focus on prevention and a solid foundation. Collagen production begins a slow decline and the first subtle signs of sun damage may appear. Cornerstone: diligent sun protection. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen SPF 30 or higher every day. Introduce a topical antioxidant, vitamin C serum, in the morning. In the 35-45 bracket, you may notice more visible changes. Cell turnover slows and fine lines become more established. Ramp up anti-aging with more powerful actives. A retinoid is the gold standard. Over-the-counter retinol. Prescription tretinoin. Start slowly, 2 or 3 nights a week to acclimate. At 45-55 plus hormonal shifts, especially lower estrogen, profoundly impact skin. Skin often becomes drier, thinner, and more fragile. You may lose firmness and elasticity. Hydration and barrier repair become top priorities. Look for richer emollient moisturizers, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. They replenish lipids, draw moisture in, and support structure. Continue your retinoid and continue daily sunscreen. Shift focus toward nourishing and comforting the skin to maintain resilience. Focus on routines that keep skin comfortable and strong. Consistent care beats quick fixes. Key ingredients to seek out are ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. Adapt with age, Protect daily and prioritize barrier support. Next, let's walk through ideal morning and evening rituals you can start using today. Alright, so your morning skincare routine should be all about protection and preservation. Its primary goals are to hydrate your skin after a long night's rest and shield it from the environmental aggressors you'll face throughout the day, like UV radiation and pollution. Start with a gentle cleanse. For many people, especially those with dry or sensitive skin, honestly, a simple rinse with lukewarm water is sufficient. But if you have oily skin or worked out, go ahead and use a mild, non-stripping cleanser. After cleansing, you can apply an optional toner. Modern toners are hydrating and prepare skin for better absorption. Look for glycerin or hyaluronic acid. The next step, and a crucial one for antioxidant protection, is a vitamin C serum. Apply a few drops to face and neck. Follow with a light moisturizer to lock in hydration. Gel for oily skin, cream for dry. The final and most critical step is sunscreen. This is non-negotiable regardless of the weather or season. Apply a generous SPF 30+ broad-spectrum sunscreen to face, neck, ears, and any exposed skin. Allow it to set before makeup. Now your evening routine is focused on cleansing and repair. Begin with a double cleanse. First, an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to remove makeup and SPF, then a gentle water-based cleanser to clean the skin itself. After patting dry, apply a soothing toner and your treatment serums. Retinol for anti-aging, start 2-3 nights a week, hyaluronic acid for hydration, or alternatives like bakuchiol for sensitivity. Patch test new products and introduce one at a time. Gently tap eye cream around the orbital bone and follow with a richer night moisturizer to support overnight repair. Optional, a few drops of facial oil for very dry or mature skin to seal in moisture. Morning equal sign protect, cleanse, vitamin C, moisturizer, sunscreen. Evening equal sign repair, double cleanse, treatment, hydrate, repair. For busy mornings, a simplified natural routine, cleanse, tone, moisturize, protect, can be done in 5 minutes. Consistency matters more than complexity. Build a routine you can keep every day. While a consistent routine with well-formulated products is essential, your kitchen can also be a wonderful source of simple, effective skincare treatments. These natural options are not meant to replace your core products like sunscreen or retinoids, but they can be a budget-friendly supplement to nourish your skin. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. Combine 2 tablespoons oatmeal with 1 tablespoon yogurt for gentle exfoliation and hydration. Grind oats, mix with honey or yogurt to make a paste, apply to clean skin, leave 10-15 minutes, then rinse. Honey and banana mask. Mash 1 ripe banana with 1 tablespoon honey for anti-aging and moisturizing benefits. Papaya and honey for brightening. Avocado and olive oil for deep nourishment, great for dry or mature skin. Simple daily ingredients: rose water, aloe vera, coconut oil, green tea, hydration, soothing, makeup removal, antioxidants. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant but can stain. Use only a small pinch mixed into yogurt and patch test first. DIY masks are a relaxing ritual and can provide quick hydration and brightness. Rinse gently and moisturize afterward. Use pantry treatments sparingly as a supplement. Always patch test new concoctions. Even with the best intentions and the most luxurious products, it's easy to fall into common traps that can hinder your progress and even damage your skin. One of the most frequent mistakes is not applying products in the correct order. The general rule: apply products from thinnest to thickest. Lightweight water-based serums first, then heavier creams and oils to seal. Typical order: cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, moisturizer, oil, if used. Another major pitfall: lack of consistency. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Active ingredients and protection are cumulative. Don't skip patch testing. Apply a small amount behind the ear or on the inner arm for a few days to spot irritation or allergy. Finally, dirty tools. Makeup brushes, sponges, and phone screens harbor bacteria and oils that cause clogged pores and breakouts. Wash brushes weekly and wipe your phone daily. These hygiene habits improve clarity and prevent inflammation. Navigating specific skin concerns requires a targeted approach combining scientifically proven ingredients and gentle natural remedies. For acne-prone skin, reduce excess oil, clear clogged pores, and calm inflammation. Salicylic acid, BHA, penetrates pores to exfoliate. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne bacteria. Clay masks once or twice a week can help absorb oil. Natural spot options: diluted tea tree oil with a carrier like jojoba for antimicrobial action. Patch test first. For aging, retinoids promote cell turnover and collagen. Peptides signal collagen production. Antioxidants like green tea protect against environmental damage. For hyperpigmentation, rigorous sun protection plus vitamin C, niacinamide, azelaic acid, and natural options like licorice extract. Patience is required over weeks to months. For sensitive skin, less is more. Focus on calming inflammation and barrier repair with ceramides, colloidal oatmeal, cica, and aloe. Avoid fragrance, alcohol, and unnecessary essential oils. Always patch test new products or DIY masks to ensure tolerance. Target your concerns with the right actives and protect them with daily sunscreen. Building a skincare routine that you can stick with for the long haul is a journey of self-discovery, not a race to the finish line. Start with the basics: gentle cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Use these 3 products consistently for several weeks until it becomes an ingrained habit. Once you have the foundation, slowly introduce one new active every 4 to 6 weeks to assess effects and spot irritation. A common myth: expensive products are always better. Not true. Focus on formulation and proven ingredients. Many drugstore options work very well. Adjust your routine seasonally. Richer creams in winter, lightweight gels and foaming cleansers in summer. Finally, consistency beats perfection. Healthy skin reflects small, sustainable habits: sunscreen daily, moisturizing, and targeted actives used properly. I invite you to connect with others on this journey. Share tips and progress, and celebrate self-care as self-love. Reinforce the 3 non-negotiables: gentle cleansing, adequate moisturization, and daily sun protection. Download the free skincare routine tracker in the description to stay consistent. Subscribe for weekly natural beauty tips, comment your biggest skincare challenge, and hit the bell for more science-backed routines. Your skin is with you for life. Invest in it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to natural beauty. If you love homemade beauty tips and want more easy, science-backed routines, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more natural, effective beauty secrets every week. See you in the next video.